Hey guys, so today in this video, I'm going to show you to get unlimited points on Fetch Rewards 2026. So let me just open it up right here and show you guys. So as you can see, I'm low on points, but when I press this button, I can actually add unlimited points to my Fetch Rewards account. So I'm going to press unlock, and let's see if the points go up, and then I'm going to show you how to download this Fetch Rewards hack so you can get unlimited points. So let's see if it starts increasing, and then I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So as you can see, it says like verifying device, deriving tokens, finalizing. All right, so now the points should start going up. So let's see. And there we go, guys. As you can see, they started increasing. So I'm going to show you how to download this onto your device. It's super cool. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the browser and just go to this website. So once you're here, guys, just find Fetch Rewards, press on it, press download. And before it downloads, it's going to be like a verification. So basically, you got to download like 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% free from official app store, and then the Fetch Rewards hack will be on your device. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So before this finishes, it's going to say missing files. So we just have to download some of these apps. So we got like eSIM, World Winner. So just make sure you do 2 of them, guys. You're going to be good to go. So this one's like install the app and open it. And then we got Mo Casino. Says follow instructions on next page. Install the app and open it. So that's how to get unlimited points on Fetch Rewards, guys. It's super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you want to get unlimited points. This is actually working, guys, and it is super wild. So I haven't had any problems with this at all. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is super cool, guys, and it totally works. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys later, and peace out.